How to make a paper unicorn? Hello again from a brand new video to everyone. Friends, I hope everything is fine and you are fine. I would be very happy if you support me and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Today, we will make you a model figure of the unicorn horse, which I also watch videos from time to time, which I like very much. Frankly, I believe that it will be a very successful figure. I tried a smaller size of it before. It was not very good. I hope we do not make mistakes in this figure. Now I have taken out the sketches you see in my hand in the same way. I will start cutting from these models in order. As I said when doing this process, black dots are very important. If we make a wrong cut, we ruin the whole model. We have prepared our model knife and glue and also our tweezers. We need to use these tools. If you are going to buy a utility knife, this utility knife I use is very useful. Look, as you can see now, I'm making adjustments to glue the shapes I cut in parallel. Follow these steps well, and if you want to do it, it is useful to pay attention to these steps. I am adjusting and organizing the dimensions well. I will soon give you information about horses like in the last video. I hope you will listen, and I hope you will be interested in the information I have compiled, friends. If you think of making such a model, I think you should start right away without giving up. It's a lot of fun, and don't forget the tweezers. You have already seen it in every video while correcting friends. It greatly lightens my workload. If you wish, let's start with the history of horses first. If you watch me making my model, you will learn information about horses, friends. I really started to like this concept. I hope you liked it too. Horses have played an important role for humans since prehistoric times. Horses, which are thought to have been first domesticated in Central Asia, have played a key role in humanity's use in transport, agriculture, and warfare. The domestication of horses has been effective in the transition of people from nomadic lifestyle to settled agricultural societies. Horse warriors have had a great impact on the history of Asia and Europe, especially in the process of building and sustaining empires. Great powers, such as the Roman Empire, the Hun Empire, and the Mongol Empire, were characterized by their equestrian troops. In Europe during the Middle Ages, the horses of nobles and knights became symbols of status and power. In the same period, the mounted armies of Mongol rulers in Central Asia established great empires. The Europeans who first set foot on the American continent also introduced horses to these lands. And they became a new means of transport and hunting for the indigenous peoples. With the Industrial Revolution, horses started to lose their importance in transport and agriculture. However, horses are still widely used in sports and entertainment. Today, horses interact with humans in various fields, such as agricultural work, races, shows, therapy, and recreation. Yes, I tried to compile all the information about horses as much as I could. By the way, we have come a long way. The part you see now was the most difficult. The others will be very easy for me. Now you will say to me that you gave me a lot of information about horses, but you didn't mention the unicorn. Yes. Now I will tell you this legend, so that those who do not know will get a lot of information. Listen carefully, friends. Unicorn is a mythical creature that resembles a unicorn, usually a white horse, with one horn in legends and mythologies. The word unicorn is of Latin origin and means unicorn. This mythical creature has been called by different names in many different cultures and has gained an important place in mythologies. Unicorn myth has a history dating back to ancient times. It is thought to have first appeared in Mesopotamian mythology and later in Greek and Roman mythologies. In ancient texts, there are depictions of unicorn-like unicorn creatures. In the Middle Ages, especially in Europe, the unicorn myth became even more popular. During this period, the unicorn was often depicted as a pure, benevolent, and rare creature. At the same time, it was believed that the unicorn horn could perform miracles. Unicorns' horns were associated with properties such as being able to neutralize poisonous plants and purify drinking water. Yes, now to the horn section on the head of our unicorn. We can say it's pretty much shaped. I hope I managed to do it. Come on, rate me after watching this video. Friends, I will speed up the video a little bit now, otherwise it will take much longer. Dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. You have taken a step into your own mythical world by watching the paper model unicorn making. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comments what content you would like to see. You are the ones who make this time spent making unicorns worthwhile. It was a great experience to explore a world full of creative projects together. If you make your own unicorn model, don't forget to share your photos with me. You can reach me on Instagram and other social media accounts. Again, we had a great time together. I hope I can welcome you with the same enthusiasm in my next video. Thank you all. See you soon.